Now, you will see I've got booking PK. Now remember, it's a primary key and it needs to auto increment. So is it doing it? Let's check. So booking PK, we click change. And we can see it's not auto incrementing. See, AR stands for auto increment. So we need to tick it and save. And there it says incorrect table definition. There can be only one auto column and it must be defined as a key. Now that usually becomes a problem. So how do we fix it? So let's go back to structure again. So in booking PK, you just tick that and just delete it. Just remember the name booking PK, tick it. And we say delete. It would actually be drop. So delete is deleting image access, but in MySQL, they call it drop. So I'm going to click drop here. And to say, do you want to execute the following query? Out of the table, drop this. So we say yes. Now we're going to add it again. But here, I'm just going to keep it tidy. So we click at beginning of table. Because I want to put it back to where it was. So we say, okay, we'll go. We call it booking PK. Now, check what happens. We click AR auto increment. Automatically brings this up. So it will say here, index name primary, index choice primary, which is what we want. We want it to be a primary key and it must auto increment. So just click on go and save it. And let's click structure again. And now we know it's working because you've got the key here and it's now going to auto increment. Now your table bookings is done, it's sorted. So what I want you to do is pause this video and try and do the same for doctors, health insurance and patients and then come back. So now let's do doctors. So I'm going to click here, drop it, say yes. And I'm going to add it again, beginning of table. And I'm going to say doctor, PK. We leave it as int, which is integer. So we'll leave it at that. So you auto increment. Say okay. Save. So doctors is now done. So let's click structure just to make sure. Yes. There we go. Auto increment and primary key. Let's do the same for health insurance. Click. Drop it. And we add a column again. And we say health insurance PK. Auto increment. Say go. Save. Check it again. There we go. And then the last one, patients. Click that. You drop. Say yes. And we add it again. And we say patient PK. Auto increment. And say go. And save it. And now you have tweaked all the tables ready to be used. So I will teach you in the next lecture.